a fantastic in-salon hair-up service created by the TONI&GUY International Artistic Team. It's inspired by what we see at Fashion Weeks, and the idea is it's being inspired by the current and up-and-coming trends.
This is now 3 years in a row that we're bringing out 10 looks of Fashion Fix. The reason is because we are passionate hairdressers that love Fashion Week, and for us it was really important to give education, but bringing it also to our clients, but also to our students all around the world. Really giving an insight of different techniques, different textures, different volumes and creation that we have done in these seasons in Fashion Week.
So the Fashion Fix foundations gave you the core disciplines and they gave you the foundation of the looks. But Fashion Fix 3 just progresses that to a different level. New styles of braiding, more elaborate. Also just the detailing and the cleanliness of the work that needs to be done just again takes our education to the next level.